All right, question number 2. It's the very straightforward thing I talked about in class when we're talking about finding the great diagonal from back corner to the front, the back top corner to the front bottom corner across the middle of the box. It's the great diagonal. So what we have here is if you draw this in, this is actually really hard to do. We have a triangle right here across the bottom. Now this is also 60. So what we really have is a triangle like this, where this is 60 and this is 60. And this is a right angle. So now we're going to have to use Pythagorean's theorem. Now the numbers are getting a little big here. 60 squared plus 60 squared equals my, whatever you want to call this, we can call it L squared. So that's 3600 plus 3600 equals L squared. And that's 7200 equals L squared. And so now the square root of 7200. Well, that's going to be a big breakdown. 7200 factor tree. 7200 with a factor tree. So 72 times 100, that's 8 times 9. That's 10 times 10. 8 is 2 times 4, the 2's prime. 9 is 3 times 3, and they're both prime. And both the 10's, again, pardon me for my sloppiness, are 2 times 5. And those are all prime. And then the 4 breaks down into 2 times 2. So we end up with 2 times 2 times 2. There's 3 2's. 4 2's, 5 2's. And then 1, 2, 3's. It's not a 33 at the time, and then 2 5's. And so then the square root of that simplifies to 2, 2. There's a pair of 2's, there's another pair of 2's, there's a pair of 3's, there's a pair of 5's. So you get 4, 12, 60 root 2. So L is 60 root 2. Okay, now you know what L is. You know what this is. Well, then I have another triangle. I have a triangle, and another right triangle like this. This is my D. This is 60, and this is 60 root 2. So you're going to take 60 squared plus 60 root 2 squared equals D squared. That's 3600. We know this is 7200. We did that just a minute ago. And then you're going to get 1080 D squared. And that's going to, now here's the thing. Normally I would talk about simplifying the square root. However, look at your answer. They want it rounded to the nearest tenth, so they don't want us to simplify it. So again, I'm going to grab my calculator. I'm going to clear it out. I'm going to type in 10,800. I'm going to take the square root, and it says it's 103.92, so I want 103.9. So let's go back to the original problem. I'm going to type in 103.9 and hope I'm right. Looky there, 2 down.